What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Gonna go over our friend Turbo. Nice pump following our analysis, sitting at 0.00655, up 16% on the day. Market cap 419 million. 24-hour volume 149 million. So if we look at Turbo, we pushed up in our wave 3, we pulled back in a wave 4, and now it looks like we're pushing up in a wave 5. So do expect price to push in between 0.00707 and 0.00805 in a wave 5, and then we should see a decent side pullback before continuation. Of course, it's a meme coin, so it can just explode at any time, but that's what we're looking at from an Elliott wave perspective. And of course, we have that larger wave 3 target with the wave count off the bottom here, off the bear market low, and that wave 3 target is all the way up at 0.019. So that's pretty much it for this update. We pushed beautifully up in our wave 3, and then you have an A, B, C down in a 4, and now it looks like we're pushing up in that wave 5. So do look for price to enter that target zone before seeing a larger pullback, in my opinion. That's what I'm looking at for Turbo. Make sure to sign up to Bitfinex. No KYC, no VPN, all around the world, including North America, one of the few exchanges you can trade futures in North America. 10% back on every single one of your trades on your fees when you sign up through my link. Top of the comments, make sure to join my free Discord, which include my daily crypto analysis as well as my Forex signals. All links down below. Go check them out. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.